Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how you can fix waiting for download error in Google Play Store. Here you can see now an application is being installed, but earlier it was giving me an error. It was giving me waiting for download error. So I tried different ways on my other device. So let me show you the two different methods. Here you can see it was giving me waiting for download error. So I tried to enable airplane mode and then I disabled the airplane mode, but it didn't work. I also restarted my device, but it didn't work as well. Later I tried to clear the cache. So open Google Play in settings and go to storage usage and clear cache and click clear data. Now you need to force stop the application. Now go back and launch Play Store and try to install your applications, and issue should be resolved. So then I was able to install the application without any problem. I have a slow 4G internet connection, that's why it was taking too much time to download. If you use Google waiting for download error, you can see the first search from Cura. A recent update could have broken something. In that case, it is a good idea to try to disable your VPN connection. But I don't have a VPN connection on my device, so to see if that corrects the pending download error. And then you can see another option: Play Store may be behaving badly due to some leftover data or cache memory. But the second option worked for me, so I just cleared the cache and removed the data, and then I was able to install application. So this is how you can fix waiting for download error. Thank you very much for watching this video.